public interest litigation has been filed in the Supreme Court over ethanol blending in petrol. The petitioner has sought directions to the Union of India. The petitioner pleaded the apex court to direct the Union of India that it must ensure uninterrupted availability of unblended petrol as well as 10% ethanol blended petrol at all fuel stations across the country. The petitioner also demanded that the government must ensure that all the fuel stations across the country display the content of ethanol in petrol. It should be visible to the consumers that how much percentage of ethanol is there in the petrol that they have been filling in their vehicles. Additionally, the petitioner also sought directions to the Union of India that it should ensure that all the vehicles manufactured particularly before 2023 must be covered under the appropriate insurance scheme before going ahead with this ethanol policy. Apart from this, the petitioner also pleaded the apex court to direct Union of India that it should contribute around rupees 50 to 55 rupees per litre towards the cost of ethanol blending in petrol. Well, we must tell the viewers here that this is not the first petition filed in the Supreme Court which sort of challenging or seeking measures to protect consumers, consumer vehicle from this ethanol blended petrol. In fact, last year also there was a public interest litigation that challenged the ethanol policy of the government of India, and it was filed before the Supreme Court. However, the bench of Chief Justice, then Chief Justice of India V.R. Gavai, had dismissed that petition. Now, this petition, it has been filed in the Supreme Court. However, it has not been yet listed. Well, we'll see that whether the court takes cognizance of this matter once it is listed and it comes up for the hearing before the Supreme Court.